Hey guys, this is Josh and just wanted to take a quick video of my Kenmore 14 cubic foot stand-up freezer. It's an upright freezer. Before I unplug it and move it over to storage for whoever wants to buy it can pick it up over there. I always do a video so that you can see everything on it working perfect. It's in excellent shape, and what I'll do is go ahead and open it up here. And I've got the little thermostat in there showing just about -10 on its highest setting. And of course they run a little bit warm, not having anything in them to assist with keeping everything cold, but you can see that's right where it should be. Nice and clean, plenty of space here. And we got our tag right there. See? Ice cold. Light and everything works. Yeah, not a whole lot else to show off on it, but do like to show that it does work. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks. You guys have a great day.